Hey guys, I just got my new car. I need to fix everything, but yes, we are driving. Okay guys, it is currently 5:50. Today is arm day. So America's gonna pick me up to go to the gym. It's arm day. I hate arm day. So yeah. This is gym fit. A black hoodie. Grace, you can't even see the gym fit. You'll see clips right now. But yeah. Arm day at the gym. It's gonna be 6, so yeah. Anyways, see you later. Okay, so I just got home. It's 7:15 from the gym. I'm about to jump into the shower. Sorry. I'm about to jump into the shower and get ready because I have 45 minutes to get ready. So I need to shower quickly and then that's that. So I'll see you guys after I shower. Bye. My camera just died on me. I didn't know it was gonna die on me like that. Bruh. Anyways. And jewelry we're gonna put on. Bro. No! I'm gonna still put it on. But it's tangled and I don't have time to untangle it right now. So I'm going to wear a tangled necklace on my neck. Wish me luck. Oh my God. It's choking me. Okay, that's not. It is choking me. It's okay. Okay, so OTD, we're in my sister's room, by the way. So OTD, the clogs, the pants, clogs American Eagle, pants American Eagle, top American Eagle. Oh my God, we're American Eagling today. There you go. Lip liner, Glossier. And I put an e.l.f. lip oil in the glitter shade. I don't have the shade right now. It's in my bag. This is my little lip baggie that I carry with me with all my lippies. But yeah, that's the fit of the day. See you at school or on the road, wherever I end up, wherever the wind takes me. It is 8 o'clock now. Bye. Regina, you have to go to the restroom?
Yeah, and then you can
This is so weird. Wait, you're not there. It's because I don't know. It works weird.
Yeah, it's a...
Cuerpo.
Oh my God. Oh, guys, we should have done an ASMR clickbait video.
we need mics. One day we should do ASMR.
That would be so much better.
And then with you being the main ASMR. Yes, Madison. Your bites are just like bites, you know? They're so
I just
good.
want to eat like.
I could just watch you eat sometimes because it's like, oh my God, sorry.
I'll go to the restroom. His hair is so
That just sounded so weird. I talked in like halfway to that conversation.
Oh yeah, it sounds really awesome.
No, it's because one time we went to 5 and Below and we bought like a bunch of
last semester.
and yeah.
No Wingstop, Michael.
Ay, no, estamos fitness.
No, estos están haciendo gym y tú no.
No, ya Ya voy a hacer fitness, güey.
All I know is Monday and Tuesday, 70 cents bonus wings.
Huh?
70
Monday and
cents.
Tuesday, 70 cents are each bonus wing.
No puede ser. I didn't know that.
At Wingstop? I'm gonna take your sauce.
Monday and Tuesday.
What am I eating with it?
Guys, el
Boneless.
Monday Furies.
Michael, you don't like
It's chicken.
Michael, you don't like boneless wings.
Oh, boneless.
Why are you getting so happy? You hate boneless.
Michael, chicken is chicken. Food is food. It's gonna go down.
Do you like chicken nuggets?
He's literally
Yeah, but no,
Boneless wings are similar to chicken nuggets, just bigger.
The
But they're not as
Chick-fil-A
crunchy and
spicy
it's not
grilled
as-
chicken sandwich, and it's really good by the
Yeah,
way.
my son-
Anyways, it's 11:05.
Es que está cerrado.
Guys, Michael made a heart. I'm doing my quiz. So I'm on my way to class at 3. I'm in the restroom, so yeah. Hey guys, I just got my new car. I need to fix everything, but yes, we are driving and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'll give you like a full tour when we get to my house. Oh, I'm so nervous. I haven't. Ah! Okay, guys, behave yourself. Amari, behave yourself. Okay, this is interesting. Guys, I haven't driven in a while. Oh my god, I feel weak. I feel weird. I don't know how I feel. Are you hearing? You're probably hearing the. Oh my god, this is so weird. Oh! Espresso! That's not me espresso, guys. Now what? Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. Honest love that lasts is all I want. Too much to ask. Is there something wrong with me? What a beautiful song. I love that song. Ah! Joshua Bassett! Ah!
You say you gotta think it over. I can't stop thinking of you.
Okay guys, sorry it's blurry, but this is my car. This is a dashboard. We got this going. Oh, sorry, my Stanley. And then look, this time I have one of the things. Passenger seat, back seat, say hi, radio, and then me. But yeah, this is my car. Yeah, so this is my car. So be expecting a lot of footage in this car. And now we're gonna put a duck here. My mom got it for me for the car. So, and then the keys. Ah! Okay, let me get off and show you the outside in the dark. Yeah, brilliant. Okay, see you. Okay, you can't see anything, right? You can't see nothing. I don't know what's wrong. Oh, my exposure is really low. Oh, wait, what? Anyways, why is my exposure really low? Let's higher this baby.